I want to show you how to make your links for your discussion board posts what we call clickable, or make the links hot. So I'm going to give an example of, let's say, a YouTube video that I have. And I'm going to use this YouTube video. It happens to be one I made for one of my other classes. So first I need that link, and I can come up to the URL inside that browser, and I can copy it, copy the link that way, or Command C. Other ways that you can do it, if it's a YouTube video, you can come down to the share, and you can copy the link this way as well. So both ways are fine. I basically need to copy the location of where I want to link to. I'll go ahead and close this, and then I'm going to come back here, and then I'm going to paste that link right here. I need to make that clickable, because normally just by putting it in here, a lot of people are used to email where it does that automatically, but just by putting it in there, it will not make a clickable link. So I need to select the link, I need to come to the link icon, I need to paste the link that I want to link to inside the top link path bar, and then in the target I need to say, please open this in a new window. What that will do is leave this window open and take my viewer to the new window where they can view my content. I'll click insert, and then I'll click submit. And what you'll see for a clickable hot link then is this. I can click, it'll leave the existing window open.
Third of 3 videos.
And you see it'll go to the, oops, talking over myself there. It'll go to the YouTube video window so that you can view it. So real quick video to accompany the directions for making a clickable hot link. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask.